Spring Cloud is a framework for building distributed systems and microservice architectures. It provides tools for declarative configuration, service discovery, circuit breakers, intelligent routing, microproxy, control bus, one-time tokens, global locks, leadership election, distributed sessions, cluster state, and configurations. Some of the major modules in Spring Cloud are: 1. Spring Cloud Config provides server and client-side support for externalized configuration in a distributed system. 2. Spring Cloud Netflix Eureka Service Registration and Discovery. Eureka servers can sync data with each other, and Eureka clients can discover service instances from Eureka servers. 3. Spring Cloud Netflix SOL API Gateway and Reverse Proxy. It routes requests to different backend services. 4. Spring Cloud Netflix Ribbon Client-Side Load Balancer. 5. Spring Cloud Netflix Hystrix Circuit Breaker handles latency and fault tolerance. 6. Spring Cloud Sleuth implements a distributed tracing solution with Zipkin, htrace, or other supported tracers. 7. Spring Cloud Stream simplifies the development of messaging microservices, integrates RabbitMQ, Apache Kafka, etc. 8. Spring Cloud Data Flow orchestrates data pipelines between Spring Cloud Stream applications. 9. Spring Cloud Security provides authentication and authorization in distributed systems and microservice architectures. 10. Spring Cloud Vault integrates with HashiCorp Vault for secrets management and encryption. 11. Spring Cloud Console Service Discovery and Configuration with Console. 12. Spring Cloud Zookeeper Service Discovery and Configuration with Zookeeper. 13. Spring Cloud Gateway service that provides a simple way to route requests to different microservices. 14. Spring Cloud Open Service Broker provides server and client-side support for the Open Service Broker API. 15. Spring Cloud Function supports a functional programming model for Spring Cloud Stream applications. So in short, Spring Cloud provides tools and patterns to simplify building distributed systems and microservice architectures with Spring Boot.